Hey, I'm Ruben with Search Party Marketing. We help carpet cleaners win more customers. Today, I want to talk with you about 3 things you need on your carpet cleaning website to help you win more customers. So if you want to get customers from your website, if you want to win carpet cleaning jobs from your website, what 3 things do you really need to have on your homepage? And even further, what do you need to have above the fold? And what do I mean by above the fold? Let's look at this carpet cleaning site right here. What I mean by above the fold is everything that you can see on the screen before you have to scroll. So once you start scrolling down, you're no longer above the fold, you're below the fold. So what do you need above the fold to try to win carpet cleaning customers? There's 3 things I recommend. Number 1 is a great big form for people to request a quote. A lot of people don't want to talk with you on the phone. So this is super important. Put a form on your website that allows people to request a quote from you without actually picking up the phone and calling you. I realize you may like to talk on the phone and you may think that you close carpet cleaning jobs better when you're on the phone with customers. It doesn't matter. Some of your customers just don't want to talk on the phone. They'd rather do this by email. Maybe they're busy at work. Maybe they're busy professionals who are out working all day, like a real estate agent or something like that. Put a form on your website so they can request a quote by email. And when they do that, when they request a quote with this form, send them the quote back by email. Since they requested it by email, respond to them by email. You can call as well as if you want, but send them an email first. So that's number 1. And the number 2 thing that you need on your homepage is a clickable call button. This one's super simple. I'm on desktop, so it's not going to look the same. But if I were on mobile, if I was on this website on mobile, you could literally tap this phone number and it would bring up the prompt on your phone to ask if you want to dial that phone number. Always put a clickable phone number on your website. A lot of people have phone numbers on their website and they're not clickable. You actually have to put in a little bit of code to make that a clickable button, but it's really not difficult. Hop on Google and look for how to make a clickable telephone number. HTML, you'll find it. It's a very small code snippet that you can enter on your website and it'll make your phone numbers clickable. So make a clickable phone number. And the number 3, if you have online booking, put an online booking link on your website above the fold. Once again, you're going to have a couple kinds of customers that come to your site. You're going to have people that want to talk on the phone, so they'll pick up the phone and call you. You're going to have people that want to request a quote by email. So they will fill out this form and expect you to send them a quote by email. Finally, you're going to have people who just want to book and they don't even necessarily need to see the price first. They just need the job done. So get out of the way from those people. Don't force them to ask for a quote first. Put an online booking link on your website and let those people click and book directly with you without requesting a quote first. An even better experience would be if you put all of your pricing on your online booking page so that they can build their quote while they're doing the booking. But if you can't do that, that's okay. Still put the online booking link there, let people book an appointment, and then send them the quote and confirm the appointment afterwards. So those are the 3 things you need to put above the fold on your carpet cleaning website to start winning customers right away. If you want to get a website like this, go to gosearchparty.com and check out our website and SEO plans for carpet cleaners. We'll build you a custom website based on our templates that are designed to get carpet cleaning customers and designed to rank on Google. It includes all of this stuff in every single package. We always include a form. We always include clickable phone numbers. And if you have online booking, we'll include a link to that as well. So if you want to get a website like this for your carpet cleaning company, head on over to gosearchparty.com and check out our website and SEO plans for carpet cleaners. I'm Ruben with Search Party Marketing. We help carpet cleaners win more customers. Thanks for watching.